Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iOS 17 is not showing in settings and how can you download it from other websites. So let me show you here. iOS 17 is not showing right now in settings. So guys, some users are looking for iOS 17 in settings. So if you want to download it, then you have to open Safari browser and just simply you have to search for beta profiles tab. Now from here you have to scroll it down and then you have to locate for the new update and then tap on install profile. Let me tell you that you can see here it's showing us 16.6 because iOS 17 will be releasing on 6th of June. Okay guys, Apple tell you that iOS 17 will be releasing on 5th of June, but now it will be releasing on 6th of June. That's why you are not going to download iOS 17. So if you want to download iOS 17, then you have to open this website after 6th June and tap on install profile, then tap on install. Now from here tap on allow, then tap on close. Now after that you have to open setting, tap on profile, download it, tap on install, then you have to put the passcode. Now from here you have to tap on install again, then again you have to tap on install. Now tap on not now, now tap on done. Now after that guys, you have to open settings, then you have to scroll it down, tap on general, you have to tap on software update. Your profile will be downloaded, then you have to tap on install profile, and after that iOS 17 will be downloaded in your iPhone or iPad. So that's pretty much for today video. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.